Have you noticed the level of development going on in Ibeju Lekki environment? I mean, amidst all the news you're hearing about the deep sea port already functioning, the Dangote refinery functioning, the coastal road that is almost in its completion in the Lagos State coastal, as well as other ongoing developments of industries and infrastructures. I mean, barely 3 years ago, property prices around Ibeju Lekki Environs were selling anything between 3 million to 5 million, but right now they're in the tens of millions of naira. What is that telling you? That is telling you that within the next 3 years or more, the property prices in Ibeju Lekki environment is still going to skyrocket as development is still rapidly ongoing in that area. This is a cue for you to make sure that if you haven't had a stake in Ibeju Lekki previously, you should have a stake right. Take advantage and own yourself plots around the environment as the area is projected to rapidly grow more and more. I bear you good news. The Aviera Residence is a premium residence that's located in Ayetoro in Ibeju Lekki. A property that is situated close to major landmarks like the Dangote refinery, the Lekki Deep Sea Port, Alaro City, the proposed international airport, plus other major landmarks around. That is currently selling at its pre-launch prices. Now, in the Aviera, you can get yourselves here 1,000 square meters and 500 square meters. Our commercial plots are selling and our residential plots are selling. Aviera Residence shares close proximity to the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the coastal road, also the Pan-Atlantic University, as well as the proposed international airport. One of the wonderful things about having this particular property in your name is because it has a government allocation that is safe, secure, and well positioned in ways that within the next 3 years from now, you are sure to get about a 300% return on investment on just owning a single property here. The Aviera Residence is a premium government allocated estate that has class and long-term value. We have both residential plots and commercial plots selling, and with just an initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can secure our residential plot that is selling for 35 million naira, and a 20 million naira deposit can secure you our commercial plot that is selling for 100 million naira. Now, the good thing about having this particular property is the fact that it comes with free fencing. Get yourself a free fencing whenever you buy a plot or more here. So whatever plot you buy here will entirely fence it for you. Now, if you're looking at the distance from Aviera to Aja is less than a 30 minutes drive. Yes, so imagine the level of development going on in Aviera Residence. Why shouldn't you have a plot there today? It shouldn't take you time to have a plot there. With a safe title, government allocation, the Aviera Residence guarantees to give you huge return on investment for your property. Yes, as we have projected to gain over 300% return on investment within the next 3 years. I say this because within the past 3 years, property values around the Ayetoro, Ibeju Lekki environment has appreciated over 300%. And because of the level of development still ongoing in high quantity, it will definitely do so when you buy into the Aviera Residence. Make it a date with us today to get yourself 2 plots or more with an initial deposit of 5 million naira or 20 million naira. Get yourself an Aviera Residence.